Installing the spreader bar to the Combi CB is easy. Start by driving up to the spreader bar with your mast tilted forwards and your forks lowered. Hook the fork carriage under the spreader bar. Raise the forks and straighten the mast. Use the fork positioner to widen the forks, locking the bars in place. Place the CB in neutral, apply park and switch off the engine. Lower the locking system into place by removing the locking plate. Gently maneuver out using mast tilt and raising the forks until the heel of the forks clear the stands. It is important to check the corresponding load capacity chart if a spreader bar is installed. The load capacity is slightly reduced due to the additional weight which is now attached. Without the spreader, this flexible load of flat bar stock cannot safely clear the racking it has been stored in. The spreader bar keeps the same load straight, so the racking height can be reduced, saving not only time, but valuable storage space. The load can be safely transported, increasing stability and reducing slippage. The spreader bar makes easy and safe work of flexible loads that can slip or move during transportation, and can be used on products such as timber, pipes, sheets of plasterboard, and many more. Sturdy or well-packed loads may not need a spreader bar, but can be used for additional stability of long loads if required. Customized spreader bars can also be made to suit your needs. High amounts of drape or bend can cause stress on the center of products, which can in turn cause fractures and even breakages, especially with long brittle loads. When you have finished with your spreader bar, it must be stowed in the stands provided, on flat level ground and in its designated storage area. Drive the forks into the stand, tilt the mast back, place the CB in neutral, apply park and switch off the engine. Raise the locking system and secure with the locking plate. Use the fork positioner to release the spreader. Lower the spreader bar until the stand takes its full weight and gently reverse out.